The worst phone call I ever received as an insurance agent was from a widow. Her husband had met with me about life insurance but said, "I'll get back to you next month." He never did. A sudden illness took him before the paperwork was signed. And here's the heartbreaking part. She asked me if the policy was in place. It wasn't. I had to tell her there was nothing I could do. So don't let that be your family story. So let's get started. Now, here's the cost of waiting. Too many people put off buying life insurance because they think, "I'm young and healthy. I'll get it later. Money's tight right now, and I'll do it when my money gets right. It's on my list. I just haven't got around to it." But every year you wait, premiums go up, your health may change, and your family remains unprotected in the meantime. And guess what? Tomorrow never comes, but tomorrow isn't promised. And there's always a cost to waiting. Now, let me share another story with you. I had a client named Marcus, 38, healthy with 2 kids. He delayed buying life insurance thinking he had plenty of time. Then out of nowhere, he suffered a heart scare. He survived, but his premiums doubled overnight. Fortunately, his condition wasn't bad enough for coverage to be denied completely. Now imagine if that heart attack had been fatal. His wife and kids would have been left with nothing. It's important to realize that waiting is the biggest risk. Now, let me tell you why acting now makes sense. Locking in a policy today means lower premiums while you're healthy, guaranteed coverage no matter what happens tomorrow, immediate protection for your family. And here's something most people don't realize. Life insurance is often less expensive than your cell phone bill or even a couple of takeout meals each month. Now, I share the urgency of life insurance not to scare you, but I'm here to encourage you to protect the people you love and, most importantly, yourself. Life insurance isn't about money. It's about responsibility, peace of mind, and love in action. Don't wait until it's too late. Now, if life insurance has been on your list, let today be the day you cross it off your list. Your family deserves that security. Now, if you like this video, please share it with someone who may benefit. And don't stop here. Go back and watch other videos on life insurance so you can get a better idea of why life insurance is important. And as I like to say, call Jay today. Thanks for listening.